Today I'm going to show you how to prevent Windows 11 from adding things to the quick access menu on the folder window. As you can see here, desktop, it'll be adding things that you go into often over here or somewhere pinned here. You can right click on it and unpin them. But to stop them from showing up there automatically through Windows doing, you click the three dots here and then options, and you get this, and then you go down to privacy and it says show recently used files, show frequently used folders, and you want to do is uncheck them and then just click apply and OK, and you will no longer have folders or files show up here under quick access in the folder window. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.